I'm so picky. My little packing companion, that's my main resolution. No more excessive clothing. I've now got a little memory box. Wow, Fred, what on earth is this? This is the room I'm currently dealing with. I'm not gonna ramble, I'm gonna show you.
Whispers in the morning, whispers wakes me up. I can't hear your words today, whispers that you're mine.
Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It feels like we're quite a way into January now. I feel a little bit late to the bandwagon saying Happy New Year, but I hope you all had a lovely Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the new year and I hope you've all stayed nice and safe. I've had a little bit of time off. I took a week off of the weekly vlog over Christmas, and to be honest with you, I actually had a very productive time. Not really work-wise, but I decluttered my entire life, it feels like. My wardrobe, my stuff wardrobe. I've had a good old sort out. I've tidied the office. I've done a lot of productive things kind of like in my personal life and like behind the scenes. Had some time off, spent time with family and some friends. And now I'm back and I'm ready for 2022. I'm really excited about this year. I feel positive about it. Let me move the camera down a bit. I feel like you're a bit high up. Yeah, I didn't really set myself any New Year's resolutions for this year because last year I feel I achieved quite a lot. So this year my only resolution is to just have more fun. I was very much in work mode for all of 2021, but I want to see friends more this year. I just want to have more fun, more laughs, maybe go on a couple of weekends away and little adventures and just enjoy life this year. That's my main resolution. Obviously I'm going to work hard still in the background. I've got some career things in the back of my mind, but nothing set in stone. Wow, that is a big pigeon. Today's Friday. My mum, Sunny and I had a lovely walk this morning. We went over to Danbury Common, which is like, it's about 20 minutes from us, but it's a really nice little park, woodland area type thing. So we've got fresh air in our lungs, and I'm now going to pack some orders that have come in from Sunnyside. I've got 13 to pack, so I'm gonna have a busy hour or so, and I'm excited about it. Sunny's down here, my little packing companion. Aren't you, my love? Oh, you're woofing at me. Thank you so much. Tell everyone you've been poorly. Yeah, you've had diarrhea, haven't you? You've had the squirts. Oh, what are you running away from? Your own foot? Yeah, she's been poorly for the past couple of days. We went to the vets yesterday and they basically told me, just keep doing what you're doing. If anyone's got a dog, there's this medication you can buy it on Amazon. It's called Pro-Colin. I keep calling it Pro-Colin. Don't know who Colin is, but apparently we're Pro. And the vet basically just said carry on with her Pro-Colin. A very bland diet, which is what she's on. She's on chicken and rice. But for the vet to tell me that cost me £38. Just to say, keep doing what you're doing. It's a very, very good job. I love you, Sunny. And I love you so much, little girl. Anyway, she's happy as Larry. I'm gonna get packing these orders. Let's go.
Lights flash in the dark. I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from me easily, no. But now I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready, ready. Emotions repeating. It's been so long. I know what you're thinking. I know I wanna spend all our time now.
Orders are done and taken to the post office. I bought this ring light on Amazon the other day and it's really helping me post more Sunnyside content. It sounds ridiculous, but one of the most faffy parts for me is getting good lighting when I'm shooting content, and like of the products and stuff. I want them to look good obviously, but having to bring one of my lights out here or having to set up the little light that I've got, it's just down the side there, it's just not cutting it for me. It needs to be easy, it needs to be quick, otherwise I'm not going to do it. So I bought this one and I'm just going to leave it up. Oh, look how cute my desk looks there. Yeah, that one's staying out here now for Sunnyside content. Go and follow me actually on the Sunnyside TikTok account because I'm posting on there daily at the moment and I'm really enjoying it. I'm finding it really fun and I'm keeping it like very light-hearted, behind the scenes of a small business, but like just realistic and very honest. It's good though, it's good fun. So this is the room I'm currently dealing with, right? This is what it always looks like. It started off as, this was a little filming area. So it was like a filming backdrop. That's why the shelves are nice. It looks cute. I just don't sit down to film anymore, and if I do, it's in my bedroom, so I don't really need this filming area anymore. Panning round from that, I've got my white sheer curtains. These are going to stay because I use these for the background of product photos for Sunnyside. I'm actually really glad that I put those up. These are a few bits that I'm just going to sell and donate. Over this side, I've got my desk area, which I never use. I've still got some Christmas presents out as well. I need to put them away. But this Mac is really old and I just use it to store pictures on. I am thinking of getting a new Mac and updating my photo system or something, because it's just not practical the way I use it and it's so slow. So I think I'm going to get a new Mac that I can actually use, but I'm not sure right now. I've got my vision board up there, which definitely needs updating. I think I'm going to take that down. And then down here is PO box stuff that I'm yet to put away. If we come around this side of the room, I've got my wardrobe, which I have actually cleared out. I've got my little rail with all my harnesses. Again, I use this for product photos. I've got a vase of pampas grass. Does it need to stay? Not really. My YouTube equipment and my tall leaning mirror, which I use for outfit pictures sometimes. I haven't for a while, but it's gonna stay because this was quite expensive, I'm not gonna lie. So that is the beginning of the room. This needs to turn into a stock room because I've got a whole load more stock arriving in February and I have nowhere for it currently, and I just feel like this is a waste of a room being like this. It could be so much better. So the last clip was actually filmed at the beginning of this week. It's now Saturday, so it's the day before you're watching this, and I thought I would give you a little update of what my office looks like now because it's quite different. It's definitely not finished, like you'll see what I mean, but the bulk of it is done and it's so much more practical. So I'm not going to ramble, I'm going to show you. So as you walk in, there's still the rug and the white curtain, but now look how different it is. I've moved the desk, so the desk is now over here in front of the window, which is actually really nice. It's nice to work at the desk and like look out into the road. But my plan is for this wall, obviously Sunny's bed won't stay there. I need to get some more of these tubs. I'll order them soon. They arrive pretty quick, so I'm not worried about that. And this whole wall is going to be full of tubs, which is what I keep my stock in. I don't know if these shelves are going to stay up. I would like them to because I think it makes the room a little bit more homely. I threw away all the other decor that was on them and I kind of regret it, not going to lie, because I thought they were just going to come down, so I just threw it all out. But then I decided actually I might keep them. But I'll see how I get on because as you can see, like there is a gap between the first row of tubs and the wall because of the shelves. They're just a little bit too far that way. So I've measured them out and I can get 4 rows of tubs comfortably. But if I take the shelves down and if I move this light forward, I could get 5 rows of tubs and I can stack them up 7 high. I can get another one on top. So I could have 5 by 7, which is 35 tubs in this room, which is a lot of storage space. I'll see how I go though. If I can, I'll just do 4 by 7, but if I really need the space, the shelves will have to come down. But it's a really nice space to be in. This room feels a lot bigger because obviously I had the other desk like in the corner right here. This is my little rail with all of my harness designs on. I keep one of each for photos and stuff. And to be honest, it just really inspires me looking at this rail. Like I feel so proud of what I've achieved already in 3 months of this business, and I've got 9 harness designs. Like that's quite heavy going, and another 4 to be added hopefully next month. The bottom part is just storage for Sunny's jumpers and Sunny's leads. But yeah, look how cute they look, all in a little row. Oh, I love them so much. Moving round, so this is the tub wall. Over here is some PO box stuff, which I just don't have space for, but I don't want to get rid of. So this box is full of spare makeup. This is full of like shampoos and stuff. Me and my mum tend to share the stuff in this box. Obviously we've got my desk over here. The setup is pretty much the same. These flowers were on the shelves over here before, but now they live on my desk. I'm going to do a giveaway on Instagram for this eyeshadow palette. It's from Huda Beauty. It was in the Glossy Box advent calendar and I love it. It's beautiful, but I just have so many makeup palettes and I just don't do my makeup enough. So I thought one of you guys would probably really like this. So keep an eye out on my Instagram. I'll be doing that next week. Over here is my little PO box table. This is the part I need to figure out a better storage solution. So this is PO box that I haven't posted about yet, that arrived fairly recently. And underneath my desk, this little storage rack is now for my camera equipment. So I've got like some spare cameras under there, some spare lighting, etc, etc. My big lights and my tripod are still here, and my wardrobe has stayed the same, but I have massively decluttered this. Actually, let me show you. This wardrobe behind me is like my dressy outfits, like my going out tops, my dresses. I had a lot of dresses, and guess who never goes out anymore? To be fair, like, hang on, let me put you down. Will you balance on there? To be fair, a lot of the stuff in that wardrobe I bought when I was like 19. I'm now 23. There's no way that I'm going to fit in the same clothes. I'm going to wear the same style. Like, there was a lot of bodycon dresses, and that's just not me anymore. My style is just very different now. So I went through the cupboard, bearing in mind the rail in there was full of dresses, like full to the brim. I could barely fit another one in. Now, this is all the dresses I own. There's really not a lot there compared to what they used to be. This is a sweatshirt from my first line of merch, and these are NFL tops. So it is literally just this section of the rail that is dresses. And I'm happy about it, you know? I've kept a couple of formal ones in case I happen to go to anything formal, which I probably won't. But most of them are just like daytime dresses that I wear in the spring and the summer. And you know what? It feels a lot better to not open this wardrobe and hate myself. Also cleared out these. So in here was gym wear before. Bearing in mind I'm a girl who never goes to the gym ever. I went through a phase where me and Leanne were going to the gym, and I just went excessive with the gym wear. I've kept one set, which is now in my bedroom wardrobe. And this is all fancy dress stuff for videos. Sunny's little wardrobe. Very excessive but adorable. Next one down is the only drawer I've got left to sort out. That's like trousers and skirts and stuff, like going out trousers. In here is my bags. I've also decluttered this. This was full to the brim. And at the bottom we've got my heels, which are pretty much all the same style. Like, I only wear one style of heels. I'm so picky when it comes to heels. I will not wear anything with a thin heel, nothing that's too high, nothing that feels uncomfortable, basically. I'm a proper princess when it comes to heels. Not even a princess, like, I don't even want sparkly ones and expensive ones. All of my heels pretty much are from New Look. Most of them are from the Comfort range, and they've all got block heels and they're not too high because I'm a little bit of an old lady and I'm proud of it. This is the style in question. This is just what I like to wear. Well, I say like to wear. I don't even like wearing these heels. I'm not a heels person. But when I have to wear heels, this is the style I go for. I do love these ones, to be fair. They're the barely there ones, so there's like no strap. Well, it's see-through. But my favourite ones I own, these are the ones I'm going to wear to my brother's wedding next year when I'm a bridesmaid. I just want to be comfortable because it's going to be a long day. There's going to be a lot of socialising. I don't want to be worrying about my feet hurting. So they're really not very high. I think they're like 6 centimetres or something. They're a very neutral colour and they're just comfortable. Very simple, very nice. If you're also fussy with heels, I'd really recommend New Look. As for my other wardrobe, I've also decluttered this. Please ignore my bed, it's bed washing day, so my sheets are currently in the wash. I'll show you what I've done with this. My main wardrobe is this one. This is now decluttered. I wear every single item in here. No more excessive clothing. This drawer is my jewellery. This was an absolute mess. And then I got these little jewellery divider things on Amazon. Really tidied it up. So this is now all the jewellery that I own. Sunglasses, headbands, I only kept that one and it feels so much better. Then this is my pyjama drawer. So in here we've got PJs, swimwear, and this is the one little section of gym wear that I told you about. Next one down, this one is like shorts, tops and t-shirts and leggings, and the bottom one is my most worn casual shoes. I had a really good clear out of coats, so this is all my coats now. And I also had a good clear out of scarves and hats. I fit them all into that bag, so I'm pretty chuffed with this little corner wardrobe as well. Sorry, I'm trying to keep this precise in case you're bored, but this is now my jumpers and my hoodies, and this was definitely the worst wardrobe. I like couldn't fit anything in. Now, as you can see, plenty of space, which I'm not going to refill with more clothes. Space doesn't mean I can buy more. Down here I've got joggers and jeans and some more shoes like boots and stuff like that. And then the last wardrobe, this was the mammoth one. This is my stuff wardrobe. In here we have books, games, shower gels. Bit of a random selection, I know, but we're working with it. This is skincare. I went through all this again and it looks so much better. I've got all my eye creams in a little mug. This is fake tan. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this. So I've got like exfoliators, tans, mitts, exfoliating gloves, all organised. This is proper miscellaneous stuff in here. Wires and technology, stationery, important papers, some more games. And down here is the little memory section. So down here I've got my little Harrods bear, which was given to me on my first birthday. I've got candles, and then behind the Harrods bear I've now got a little memory box. I didn't have anywhere for these. Like, oh, this is so cute. I've got like little old teddies from when I was tiny. My Disney ears. Oh my god, Leanne's gonna hate me for showing you this. I've got like so many random photos in here. Why have I got a passport photo? Me and Leanne used to do dance competitions. Look at us. I've also got in here my couple of Sitsy books. This was in 2017, and I've got loads of pictures in here of me and you guys, because I wanted to remember these forever, so I've had them made into a little book. Imagine if you spot yourself in this video. Oh my god, this day was mental. That just reminded me. I was outside this ice cream truck and a couple of people recognised me, and then I was there for 2 hours meeting people. Honestly insane. I can't believe that happened. Look, further on in the book I'm still at the ice cream truck. I know, Sunny, this was my old life, my darling. It was so much fun though. I'm glad I've had this made. That's just the first one as well. I've got a whole nother book like that. Wow. So thank you everyone. Another person I fancy falling out with today. I'm joking. Look at this old photo of me and Fred at Harry Potter Studios. To be fair, it's just as bad of me. Wow, Fred, what on earth is this? I'm really excited about the new stock room. I feel like it's really opening up the amount of stock I can buy. I mean, to be fair, I think when the next delivery arrives, I'm gonna have no room again straight away. But it's such a relief because I was thinking like I've placed this massive order. I've actually placed 3 orders. So there are 3 different shippings arriving. One of them will be 16 boxes of stock. Another one will be at least 8, and the other one will be probably another 8. So I was panicking a little bit, to say the least, because in my outside office I have nowhere else that I could possibly put tubs. So yeah, I feel a lot better. And as I was changing it around, I was thinking like, this is just what you have to do. You have to move with the times. You can't like always live in the past. And obviously that was a filming room for me once upon a time, but times have changed. My YouTube style has changed. I much prefer the vlogs now to the sit down videos. I'm going to be filming more videos about my small business this year, so like studio vlogs. A lot of you guys really enjoy the studio vlogs, which is fab, and you have to move with the times, you know. You can't keep flogging a dead horse, or whatever that saying is. And looking back through the Sitsy books today as well, I was thinking like, this just seems madness because my life just isn't in that place anymore. And there's nothing wrong with that. Like, I would never complain about that. I had a fab time when I was like at my peak on YouTube. But things just change, and you get older and your content changes and your viewers change, and you just have to adapt to it. So that is what this holiday break has been about for me, really. Just want to say, definitely not stopping YouTube. I absolutely love it. In fact, I love it more now that I've allowed myself the freedom to just create the videos I want to create and not force a sit down video or not force this or that. Just filming me life, just me, my life, my little business and my little dog. And yeah, thank you to you guys who support it. Anyway, I'm going out for dinner tonight. You know how my New Year's resolution is to have more fun, so I'm going out for dinner with all my friends tonight. We're going out to celebrate one of my friend's boyfriend's new job. He's from Wales and he just got a job in Essex, so it's like literally Gavin and Stacey in real life. He's moving to Essex, so we're all very happy about it. Yeah, so we're going out for a little Turkish tonight. Already browsed the menu. I need to leave in 20 minutes. I need to do my hair and get changed, freshen myself up a bit, but I'm going to end this weekly vlog here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below, did you have the New Year declutter? I feel like everyone on my Instagram timeline was decluttering their wardrobe. It's just a good time of year for a refresh, isn't it? Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Happy 2022, and I'll see you again very soon with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.